Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a rain shower system with Moen, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary tools and materials. Ensure you have your Moen rain shower system, a stud finder, wrenches, screwdrivers, Teflon tape, and a level. Turn off the water supply to your existing shower. Remove the old shower head and arm using a wrench. Disconnect the existing shower valve if necessary. Use the stud finder to locate wall studs behind the shower wall. Mark the locations of the studs for reference. Install the new shower valve according to the manufacturer's instructions. Secure the valve in place with screws, ensuring it aligns with the studs. Connect the plumbing to the new valve, using Teflon tape on threads for a tight seal. Once the valve is connected, attach the new shower arm to the valve. Use a level to make sure the shower arm is straight. Next, install the rain shower head onto the arm. Tighten it securely, but be careful not to over-tighten. Now, it's time to reconnect the water supply. Turn on the water and check for any leaks around the connections. If there are no leaks, proceed to adjust the settings on the rain shower head. Test the water flow and temperature to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Finally, clean any tools and materials from the workspace. Step back and admire your newly installed Moen rain shower system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.